Do you want to use AfterPay through Cash App at almost any store? Well, we've got you covered because in today's video, we will show you exactly how it works, how to set it up, and what you need to know before you check out. Let's begin. So the first thing that you'll want to do is make sure you are using the latest version of Cash App. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store and search for Cash App and install any available updates. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store and search for Cash App and update the app to the latest version. Next is open Cash App and sign into your account. If you are using the web version, click on your profile icon and open Settings. Look for a section related to AfterPay, Buy Now, Pay Later, or Pay Over Time. If your account is eligible, you will see an option to activate or set up or connect the service. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to link your eligible account. If you don't see this option, it may not be available for your account or your region yet. But once the feature is enabled, you'll need to link a payment method. This is typically a supported debit card or linked bank account that will be used for your installment payments. After your payment method is verified, you'll be able to use the Buy Now, Pay Later at participating online and in-store merchants that supports the service. And then, now that everything is set up, you are ready to shop. So visit any store that accepts Cash App card payments. A helpful tip is to look for the AfterPay payment option during checkout, as some merchants use it to support Cash App payments. So for example, one store that I like is Tommy Hilfiger. So for example, we're gonna check out an item, add it to your cart, choose the size. Let's say we're gonna have this, add it to our bag. And then on the checkout page, okay, you will see the available payment methods. If Cash App, you see this, or AfterPay is supported, simply select it and follow the prompt to complete your purchase. And basically, that's how you can use AfterPay alongside Cash App and understand what each service actually offers. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.